In this video, we'll talk about how does wage affect labor supply and how would an increase in wage affect labor supply. Now, to begin with, labor supply is the amount of hours an individual or a community or a country is willing to put in to work. So they would trade their leisurely time for work hours and be more productive in a work area. If we compare labor supply and wage to a supply and demand graph, it would be similar to this. The the blue bar being demand of labor, so the wage, and the red line being labor supply, which is how much people are willing to work. If we if we say that this is the equilibrium and wage is $13, we would say that labor is people would work this much for a wage of $13 an hour. Now, if we would increase the wage by a dollar, then this would be the newest labor supply, or however much people will want to work for that extra dollar an hour. And if we were to reduce it, it would be people would want to work less because they are gaining less for the same hours they're working. But more people would rather work more for a higher wage than work the same amount and earn a little more as to compared to a $14 an hour. So to answer how would an increase in wage affect labor supply, it would increase labor supply because people would be more willing to spend time working and getting more monetized value. And in, and in conclusion, people like more money, and also a social effect that could affect the supply and demand for labor would be people gaining more money and then buying higher value products, and in turn causing them to want to work even more to afford the extravagant commodities that they can now afford because of the extra income. Thank you.